Alright, we were back. It only took about, I don't know, 5 minutes to get those talismans, and then, been queued here for like 10 minutes, so I don't know if they're slowing down, people are eating dinner, or what's going on, but, we'll do this one. If I don't get, like, a pretty much instant pop, I'll probably take a break on the next one. Let's see if they got the heal. They don't have a healer? Am I seeing that wrong? Witch Elf, Marauder, Chop, Guard, Chop. This guy likes to go Squiggy Armor. Squig, yeah, they don't have a healer. Alright, so this should be a fucking cakewalk. There's no need to like go on the back line and try and do anything crazy. We should be able to just kill everything that comes in. They have no heals. You don't need to fuck around in the back, generally. I mean, maybe if their DPS is overwhelming and we have to, like, wear down some of the range. Alright, so this Marauder's suicidal. I mean, you really gotta go as a ball and with your tank in front, or you just get mowed down one at a time like this. Chop and Marauder don't last long. I mean, they don't last long when they're getting heals when they do that, let alone when they have no heals. Now imagine if this guy ran in first. I mean, or one of these guys. I mean, I would switch targets to Marauder, but that doesn't mean the rest of my team would. So they have a chance, you know, if they let the tank run in and distract. This is like the opposite of some of those earlier ones. I don't even know how to get up here. I think you can get up right here, but I'm gonna go over here. Pretty sure you can get up right here, but I don't really know. Yeah, okay. Alright, so they're running for our Rune Priest here, which is their only chance to win, but they gotta do it with more than one guy at a time. I mean, you can do it solo if you have twinked out, and maybe you can kill him. Even if you're twinked out, that would have been tough. You're basically praying the Rune Priest doesn't detaunt or heal himself. Right, so like if this guy would have stealthed up and then jumped out with that Choppa, maybe. See if you can snipe this one. Damn, I got turned around. You know, I thought I was on the other side the whole time. Like, I thought I ran across the bridge, chased the squid critter here, then jumped off and got up here. Just fucking completely turned around. We're sneaking up on this guy. We'll snag this kill. And we can gangbang the Black Orc. It takes a long time unless you got a lot of DPS on him. Like, that took like 3-4 seconds, but you try and kill him by yourself, it takes like 30 seconds. Same with this black card. They take forever. Like, if these two guys fought, it would take forever. Especially since he has a shield. Just Death Blow City. +7. And this one's basically over. I mean, it was over from the start. They had no heals. Fucking scenario shouldn't even start if the other team has no healer. I guess the best case is that someone gets so pissed off they roll a healer. I wonder how many people like fucking log off after they get stomped like this though. And it's really their fault. You should play a fucking healer. They're fun. They're all good too. Regardless of which side you're on or which one you pick, they're all good. They're all fun. They're all certainly more fun than getting your fucking shit stomped as a chopper running in and dying in 2 seconds. This guy's high mana tree. A few of them high mana tree. Try and get some dots on them. They should finish him off. I putting those fervors on people so I can just run away. Once they have 3, that does like a couple hundred damage when it ticks out. Like on this guy, I just by habit throw him on the guy, but like he dies before it ticks more than twice. So they're not super useful. Damn it, I should have sniped that. And that one I should have had. Fucking Absolution is like a little bit lagged. I died back there. Jabby don't give a fuck. Somehow I still got that stealth attack off on him. I mean, that was like revenge for those fucking spankings I took earlier when we had no heals. I did it. The perfect score on damage. 22,731. All of it contributing to kills. I think that's because they don't have a heal. So eventually everyone that I damage dies. They don't get healed. I think that's how it works. So, not super impressive, but fun nonetheless. Alright, let's queue, and if it doesn't come pretty quick here, we're gonna take a break. Like, I guess maybe if someone gets out of combat, and then they go heal up with the natural regen, it would, you know, damage, but not contributing to a kill. But everyone that I attacked eventually died there, so... Oh, and we want to do some turn-ins here before the pop, if we get one. We'll hit level 12. Well, that's the phone ringing, so I do have to go anyways. Alright, to be continued. Alright, we're back. It's later in the night. We're gonna cut ahead until we get a pop here. If they're not popping, I'll just play tomorrow. Alright, that didn't take too long. Couple minutes. And check. I think I buffed right when I got in. So you can use that as kind of a timer. I certainly did not buff. Alright, so I don't think it was more than a few. Let's go up here. 53. I mean, I've been on a while. 15 minutes. I didn't queue or even start recording till the last couple. I think these guys were... Let's see, who was talking? I fucked around for a little bit. Let's say we queued. Let's say we came back and started actually playing at like 23. Like, what, 8 minutes to get a pop. So again, we're going to go for the person that spawns late or leaves the spawn late. We're going to try and kill them as they come in behind. Well, this strategy doesn't always work. I mean, you certainly don't want to jump out and die needlessly to like 6 people and then contribute nothing to the fight. So unless you can make certain you're going to kill the guy or at least delay him, this guy right here is good. I mean, this strategy kind of works because we only got 1 healer and he's level 2. He's getting, the guy jumps is getting heals. I gotta get the fuck out of here. Do some drive-by fervors. Now, the benefit there is that by jumping in the back, they did start healing behind him and turning around and falling back. So even without killing him, it kind of distracts him a little bit. It's better than if I just ran in the front and melted to some AoE or tried to attack someone I can't kill because he's getting healed by 2 or 3 people. We're losing this, though. That one warrior priest can't keep up. He doesn't have any fucking spells to heal us. So we're gonna go suicide and try and get this guy. So close. Fuck me. I used that episode, or, I used M1 just a little too early. I'm dead. And we got one heal. I think I have their group as healers. Yeah, they got 3 shaman, 2 zealots, and a doc. Yeah, we'll get this over with quick. Build up an accusation, go for any of the healers, doesn't really matter. I mean, what you can do is you can practice your rotations on these guys and see if you can spike one down. There we go. You're not going to do enough to change the fight. I'm going to fucking get gangbanged right here. So. I think they're working on a chosen back there. We did get somebody. Alright, so we know that little guy's killable. He ain't too good. Or he's slow on the deton at least. I mean, that's really the number one reason any tier 1 healer dies, is they don't know they have deton or they don't know how to use it. But you're basically unkillable if you deton people. It doesn't matter how twinked out they are. Really doesn't even matter what armor you're wearing or what items you have. As long as you deton them, you can heal through their damage. So we'll go for this guy again. Got him. I mean, once you know someone's killable, you may as well target them over and over again. This guy's holding the thing that does damage to him, so we may as well put a little extra on him. Maybe it'll tick and kill him. I mean, it will tick and kill him eventually, but maybe we could speed that up. Then grab the part, run off. That would be our only chance of winning here, but that ain't gonna happen. Try and find that guy again. Which one is he? Something with a C. It's this guy. No. That's game. See if we get a free kill. Be worth more right now. Oh, fucker. Always got to go for these free kills. Here we go. There we go. Let's see if we get another one. As they check the scoreboard. Oh, fuck. Any of these kills is money. Little shaman still here? Where'd he go? Tabbing, trying to find him. So you can play in here for a minute and a half. He must have left. So that kills 3,000. I was getting kills in the RVR lake last night, and they were worth like 1,000 experience. And they should be worth 3 times that. Yeah, we dropped this guy twice. He wasn't doing much. I'm just running around trying to find a hard PQ that is completable without taking like 20 minutes to do. There's got to be one that takes like 5-10 minutes at most. There certainly is on the destro side. Gather wood. Alright, let's do this first part. Maybe it's not terrible. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's fucking awful. That's what it is. Let's get this one too. Fuck it. Run! Hopefully they're not very fast. Alright, well, if stage 2 is like kill 50 guys, I'm not doing that fucking PQ. But we have to figure out what it is. Holy shit, we got 3 healers now. It's fucking over. There's our guy. We're gonna kill him as fast as we can. Then we're gonna get Trip. And I don't know if that other guy even heals. Well, let's see. Alright, so if you don't mind fighting 1 on 2 or 1 on 3, skip that first flag, go right for the middle. Get here before everyone else. You might be here by yourself, so don't run there if you're not confident in fighting. Outnumbered. We're behind him. We got one guy marked there. Let's see if they're getting any more back here. They're not. He might have saw me. Or he's running back up top to get the top flag. Maybe they skipped it. No, he's freaking out and running away. He hasn't detaught me yet. I'm snared from the fucking Black Orc. Alright, this ain't gonna end well. My pots are done. M1 was, 2 seconds behind. I could have killed him. We got these two distracted. That's about all we're doing. Yeah, that Black Orc snare got me. I mean, it's better than Snapshot. No melee snare sucks ass, but it is what it is. You get a knockdown later, so that guy would die pretty quick. And I could have mixed in my Snapshot earlier, guessing that I'd get snared by the Black Orc. I don't know when they get snare. There's some classes they don't get it until like level 10, it feels like, and then some get it at like level 3, so I have no idea who has it in tier 1. Alright, looks like they got middle. We're outnumbered. Probably all died. So I could run in and fight 1 on 6 there, but that would just be pointless. Probably put me on a different respawn timer. We'll go around top here. Oh no, our team just went up top. We're all up top. Alright, we can see him through the wall here with tab. Get this guy while he's by himself before they jump down. There we go. Now the healer. See, if it's going to be a sustained DPS thing, then those fervors, they work pretty well. All you want, buddy. Alright, we'll stealth up. See if we can jump anyone leaving spawn by themselves. Check the top. Zealot. He's going back in. We'll go up top, check it out. Don't have much stealth left. We'll run out of AP here in a sec. Ticks down like, 3 every second or something like that. So if you have full AP, you got like a minute and 15 of stealth. So stealth's down. We've got a snapshot on him. Gotta make sure we put that on him. Fucker ran last time. Alright, they might try and sneak back to our first flag. I really don't know what their strategy is going to be here. We're going to hold middle till we see that they do something. He's up there. He's hitting us with dots and shit. A couple of them. There we go. Use the M1 appropriately. Usually I fucking hit it too soon. Maybe I did hit it too soon. I should have saved it for that fucking second zealot. First one probably was going to die without M1. It might have been enough to kill the second one. You never know. Anyway, lure him up this ramp. Out of line of sight. Especially this guy. Dead. And then you get the healer that's trying to heal, so he's got to run up the ramp too to get line of sight, and then you jump him instead. Usually if you push them into their spawn, it's over, but they get someone sneaking around and grabbing middle. Ooh, it's not a someone, it's a threesome, foursome. They're going to go to our first. Or, no, they're going back up top. Ah, they're chasing. Alright, our boys are here. I was going to say, otherwise it's better just to cap this and wait for them to jump back down on us. This is the shaman with the C that I can kill. Unless he's gotten significantly better. I mean, he's getting heals from the zealots, but he's gonna die. There we go. This guy's rezzing or something. I think he cast res. I think that's what he was doing. Let's get out of here. Usually team just sits on that middle flag and doesn't do anything else. Like if Destro takes it, they just spawn camp eventually. Sometimes Orda will take it and then spawn camp the boat. That was everyone running everywhere. That's insane that like 6 guys jump out. I don't even know if those are counting as gatherwood. Jesus Christ, keep running. It looks like 1, but it's like 4 guys. So I don't know if I got credit for those because they're probably the same ones I picked up before. Sometimes you can just pick up the same one over and over, but I want to get this one and then sprint to the next one. It doesn't look like there is a next one. Hey, maybe these guys will help me. Fucking useless NPCs. Alright. It's cute. If I don't want to grab this without sprint, I'll fucking die. I can't kill 4 of those guys. Those guys like life tap too. Some of the hardest hitting guys in the game are the little sprite things. Usually they're in like Elf. But I guess they're in Empire. Oh, we'll cut to here. Slow start. Our team's late to middle. It's not good. We got guys dropping down at least. That guy's gonna die. At night. Jesus Christ, there's 3 of them. Alright, no one else coming. We gotta go for the zealot. Alright, we got him. Take out the Sork. Alright, got the heal and a ranged DPS. My pots were up. Maybe I had a chance. It looks like they got... Okay, we got more people. I was gonna say, they got more than 6. What the fuck's going on? Well, we'll ride into the middle. See if we can find the, either zealot to attack. Just ignore these guys that are near you. You start damaging them, this guy's just gonna jump down and heal him just like he did anyways. If we can get DPS out of the way here. That's behind everybody. We'll be in good shape. We gave me the dipsy dude. Oh, he sprinted, pussy. Alright, let's go for the healer. And there he goes. Finish off this squiggy and then we'll go find that Sork. Maybe we could kill this guy. Even with spirit damage and ignore armor, tanks take so long. Oh, there he is, that little fucker. Oh, I'm so late on this pot. I thought I hit my fucking potion earlier. Maybe not the best res to take because this guy can't heal that much. He has to target me and then do his channeled life tap. That's the only way my hit points would get high. He got him. I think he's getting nuked. Alright, we'll jump ahead till we get another fight. Alright, did not take long. The fight's still at middle. As it usually is. Oof, he dropped quick. I doubt this guy uses detaunt. That's got to be pretty. I haven't played much melee healer, but it's got to be pretty key to detaunt target A and attack target B type of thing. I don't see it done all that much, but I can't imagine living through burst when you're relying on life tabs. My fucking boy. Have you learned to detaunt yet? He might have detaunted me. I don't know. Can't remember. I saw the animation there. They shit their pants when they detaunt or piss their pants. One of the two. We gotta get that fucking Sork up there. He's not nuking me yet. Alright, we'll just clean healers until he turns and starts attacking me. Let's go get him. Where the fuck did he go? And we jump into the melee. He was up there, right? I don't think he died. Maybe he jumped off the edge. With M1, I could kill this guy. I might have to fall back here if my team doesn't come up. Oh, put some pressure on this zealot. We do not want to stay in here, though. We don't want to be one on whatever's in there. 6, 5, 6. Stay on this side of the door. They're going to get guys running through here. There's 3, 4. We can run in now. I think it's just that Sork doing damage to me, so. Take out the shaman, take the zealot out. The zealot ran me right through my healers. Of course, I'm not getting heals, but oh, this is not good. I mean, I'm just dropping down to avoid getting killed. Fell right into them. If they get like, I think like 3 more kills or something, 4 more kills, they win. We're gonna lose on kills. We just can't have deaths. So I was just trying to run away instead of trying to fight to the last drop. But I dropped right in front of 2 people. Yeah, they got 1 more kill and they win. I don't know if it's ticking 2 from owning that. Probably is. Alright, killed quite a few healers. A little cleanup on the tanks there at some point, but other than that, not too much tank bashing, which is sometimes what you get into. Alright, that's 9. 10. I didn't know if that counted. The fucking PQ thing's gone. I assume it counted. Alright, that should have been the 3 I needed. And then the PQ died? They should put what you gotta do when you mouse over these, because it's broken. Nothing like spawn, though. Usually, like, the next stage, some enemies will spawn or some shit. I guess. Yeah, let's do one more. Okay, I must have broke the PQ because the fucking... Sometimes when you think it's broken, it's just that the next objective is hidden. And how would I know what the next objective is? Like, it's not that thing. We are in, going middle. Let the rest of the team camp bottom. Maybe I can get their guy that went top. Right here, there he goes. Oh no, there's a few of them. Alright, I'm not looking to pick a 3-on-1 here. Hoping one of those guys would stay up there. Preferably this little fucker. Got no one else behind, huh? Oh, we gotta take an opportunity here. Eventually our AP's running down. As our team presses in, we get the heal. Pot up. These little guys that are running side to side are hard to heal if those healers stay on the ramp. So we take him out and then we can get this guy. I see he's running to the ramp. That's where their heals are. We want to get guys that run to the side and break line of sight. The flag also breaks line of sight if we can. If they run down our hallway, they're hard to heal too. Like this guy, he can line of sight those two zealots, even though like technically they can see him. The spell won't cast. So anyone to the sides, anyone on that side of the flag, we attack until we get stealth back. Then we go to the top, where we get our favorite little guy here. I know this isn't the one with the C. Fuck, it doesn't de-thought though. Goodbye. Just build up. I mean, a couple fervors on anybody will do damage. Build up your accusations. Up, he ran to the side. So you don't want to do that. You die. And then this guy, he's struggling to get line of sight, so he runs down to get line of sight. And we get a healer running right to us. That guy dinged, so I think he lost his bolster. So the dock is an insta-gib. They'll fix that eventually. By the time I put these videos up, they'll probably be fixed. It's just a group of them. Just pick a target, kill a target. Dear Lord. It's tough not to just try and become a wood chipper and keep going. I mean, really, I got to fall back a little bit sooner. Do the same thing they were doing. Fall back to the ramp area. Fucking door won't open. All right. This is the last guy we want to attack, but we can build accusations on him. Or we can go for someone we want, like this guy. Oh, this is suicidal. I got him, I think. I fucking caught him, people. There we go. I'm gonna die. I don't know. That's a good trade. If he gets rezzed, it's not. If he doesn't get rezzed, it's a great trade. Although we're right by the boat where he respawns, so he'll be back to the fight before I will. Points are close. Yeah, there he is again. Try and get rid of some of their DPS, maybe. Build accusations. They're not going to heal this guy. May as well kill him. Alright, we do not want to be there. Well, they're by ourselves. I mean, we don't. We have 2 tanks, 3 tanks actually. It looks like, but they're not. I'm there fighting. I'm doing what the tank should be doing. Except instead of falling back, they can stay there. There's one of them. There's your Sork. Melee Squig is tough to kill. It feels like you're fighting a tank that has less hit points. Like from a damage perspective. Just suicidal on that witch elf. I don't know what he was doing. Alright, we don't want this guy to cap our flags. We gotta stop him. What do they got? Marauder. Kill him. Alright, they can take middle here. Because looks like our entire team's down there. Yeah, they're there. So we'll go to the back, try and get the shaman. Where we keep going? God, they keep coming. That guy might have saw me. I don't know. They got no one else respawning. Now we could go try and take top, or we can go for one of these healers. We'll see if our guys come. Doesn't look like we're pushing middle. There we go. I think this is the guy that debolstered. Should be a quick kill. Or not. Oh, there he goes. He lost his hit point. I thought he leveled earlier. It was a different scenario. Alright, we can't take middle, let's take top. And then we'll get ready to kill that doc again. If he comes up here. Like before, like level 5 or 6, all classes hit so hard. But this guy lost his bolster, so now I can just kill him in seconds. Get our free kill. Come on, buddy. Fuck. All right. Plenty of kills. Try and figure out this PQ. The fuck? It's like I was collecting wood, but it wasn't counting. When I thought the PQ broke, it's like it did break. So let's keep going on this. So if it gets to a stage where I can't beat it, I'll just beat it on a different character. Alright, 14 champions. Alright, I probably can't kill these guys at all, so I'm just gonna jump on a different character and I'll end the episode here and I'll finish this on a different character and we'll continue.